Are you tired of doing all your coding on just a screen?
Liftoff.
What if you could see your code come to life? Introducing the CoDrone EDU, a drone made for learning, especially in the classroom. With our lessons on Basecamp, students can follow along with our tutorials to learn all about how to use code to program flight, what a function is, how variables work. We start easy with block-based coding all the way up to advanced things like graphing sensor data and using AI to learn colors. For teachers, we have lesson plans that are standards aligned to help plan out classes. Activities are based on real-world scenarios. Learn about how you can use code to navigate a maze. Inspect crops with the color sensor. Or use the height sensor to detect how tall something is. The CoDrone EDU is designed to hold a stable connection even in a crowded classroom. You won't have to worry about Bluetooth connection issues because the drone uses a radio signal instead. Once the drone and controller are paired, they stay paired as soon as both are turned on. You can fly 5, 10, even 15 drones in the same room. Sensor data from all 6 sensors can be displayed on the LCD screen on the controller and accessed from your Python or Blockly code. It's a perfect application for use in math and science subjects. Most importantly, it's durable, safe, and repairable. If a propeller or motor fails, you can fix it. Just follow along our online tutorials and we'll have you flying again in no time. The CoDrone EDU, a drone made for learning.